Hi. So today I'll be talking about a very cool new development on Jellypod, and that is using images as sources for your AI podcast. We might be the first AI podcast platform out there to do something like this. So on your podcast, you go ahead and click new episode, as you typically do. And on this familiar page of adding a source, you go ahead and click upload file. But instead of just adding a PDF, a doc, or an MP3, or something with speech associated, you can go ahead and add an image. So I got a couple of things here to try. I've got a diagram here in PNG format. Then I've also got one of these pesky WEBP files. So I'll go ahead and add them. And as you can see here, when the gears are turning, the system is reading the image and understanding what is in it, so you can see whether or not it failed or not. Then you go ahead and click create. Then the information from these images is being pulled in. Just to give you a sense, while this loads, the two images were diagrams of popularity of podcasts in different countries. And then another one was actually a diagram of the steps involved to making a podcast. It was a complex flow chart. So the episode itself is pulling in that information, pulling in all the context from those images, and crafting an episode in the context of the broader podcast series that you've defined. And here you have it. The episode title, the description, designed around this. As you can see here, our two hosts will be talking about reaching international audiences and really talking about how Jellypod enhances this entire podcast production, community building sequence with innovative tooling. And that's all fueled from the images themselves. As you can see here, I pulled out a global trends section and the AI production process section, both fueled by the underlying images themselves. So just like that, with the array of sources you already have available today, you can add images as sources for your podcast. Thanks so much for listening and for trying Jellypod. Bye-bye.